Oh, what the fuck? Red, 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 red.
Run guys, run guys, run. Ooh bro, almost die.
Okay. I killed.
Nice.
I killed one.
Go run. The heck?
I got all the bus.
Yeah, we killed.
Come. They are low if you have DPS.
We killed two, bro.
Buhay ka pa namin?
I almost killed two.
Oh,
I killed one. Wait,
Saan namin?
I'll kill two. Wait.
ito.
Lapit ka sa akin namin. Dito ako.
Kaya yan, 37 lang yan.
Oh,
Yeah.
almost
We already killed two, bro.
Yeah, I'm still, I'm dead.
Kaya pa ba?
Yeah, we killed. Oh,
Kaya pa, hindi.
dismounted.
Patay na ako.
Yeah.
I think yeah.
Kaya pa ba? Sure kayo? May ano pa ba sila? May tank pa sila, pre.
May tank pa sila, patay na ako.
Yeah, we have calming.
Wala talagang paldo, pre. They are only tier 7 people.
Nice one. Good job, bro.
You win, guys?
Yeah.
Nice. Loot my body, bro.
Yeah, we are winning. Let's go.
Nice.
We kill. Let's go.
I feel your kaba, bro. Kabaklaan.
Can someone mount up and from me, bro?
Is my gear still alive?
Loot. Loot and split, bro.
Put it all.
Ano yan? Lumalaban pa sa'yo namin?
No, bro.
Ito kayo.
I already killed.